What's up, Kira gang? It's your girl KiraaQuintrel back with another video. So in this series, this is my very first lace frontal wig. Like the very first one I've ever made, ever. So in this part one of the video, I'm going to show you guys how I bleached my knots on my frontal and bleached the actual hair and the hair on the frontal and the bundles. So right now I'm just mixing in some powder and developer to make a thick consistency to bleach the knots on my frontal. Since I am going to later on bleach the hair on my frontal, I wasn't too worried about not being generous with the product on my frontal. But if you guys are not planning on dyeing your frontal blonde, make sure that you put the product on there softly but generously to where it does not seep through the knots. Make sure you do not over process your knots. I left this on for about 30 minutes. I did use aluminum foil, but I think in the future I'm going to use a trash bag or some type of plastic because I just feel like it's better when dyeing hair. But at the time, I had this aluminum foil and then I was just using it. So right here, after I let the bleach sit, I'm going to wash my frontal with a purple shampoo. And the purple shampoo I'm using today is from Ion. I got it from Sally's. I'll put the description and the links to all the products I use in the video down below. I like to let this shampoo sit on the frontal for about 15 minutes to make sure that I get all the brassiness out of the knots. And yeah. So now I'm just mixing up some more powder and developer for my bundles and my frontal. So I did not let my frontal dry before I bleached it. Like I said, this is my very first time even bleaching a frontal all the way blonde. So at the time, I just went ahead and washed it and I started to slap on this product. So right now I'm just going up and down like you normally would. I decided to go and separate the actual hair onto the frontal very detailedly and make sure I got every part of the hair. I didn't want to see any brown spots, any dark brown.